Hey, what's going on, guys? Buck Bunny here, and today we're playing Warlords. This is the first time we're playing. We got the Mage, the Warrior, and Paladin. Okay, don't know why that's named. But where am I at? You may be asking. I'm right here! Woo! Yeah, cool intro, huh? Anyways, see you when the rounds begin. Bye. And we're in the round. This is our team so far. I picked the warrior class, as you can probably tell by the intro. Woo! Yo, I like that. Pops up on your screen, the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hong Kong! Wait, can I have a horse? I want a horse. Oh, here's where the battles begin. Yeah, seismic wave, ground slam, blue lost, and berserk. Let's activate this. Oh ho ho ho. Okay, I'm not sure what all these do, but got him, 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 got him. He's at 500, and got him. Wow. Kill steal. Sandstorm. Oh, you did not just do that. Team, help. I don't know if you respawn this. I'm just running for my life. Okay, this guy's. Oh, I knew I was gonna die. Oh, respawn in 10, 9, 8. Dang, whatever that is, that thing's cool. 1. Let's get back in there. Seismic, wait. That's what that is. What a waste. Alright. I'm gonna go for a bit of a risky move. Let's go, horse. This one's the risky move I was talking about, but whatevs. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Every single Tim. Every Tim. We're moving up. Berserk. Coming into the mix. Coming into my mix. Gotcha, gotcha. Don't know who I'm going for, but I'm just hitting. Swinging at everything. Ground slam. Bloodlust. Oh, I died. Look at all the damage I did, though. 2, 1. Somebody picked up our flag. Where are you at? Show yourself. Okay. My guess is he's in here. When I say smart. He's coming through. Stop that man. Woman. No. Oh, I hate these stairs. Yeah. No. It's getting captured. Oh. Okay. I guess he died. Can't jump down. Dang. Should be able to jump down because now I have to walk all the way back. Shortcut. Alright. Let's see. Red flag carrier now takes 10% increased damage. Oof. I don't know who flag carrier is, but it's not me. Come on. We have more health. Dang it. Did I do like any damage? 80 mil. Oh, blood large gives you health. That's useless. 40 health does nothing. Alright. Excuse me for a second. Oh, excuse me. I almost came up. Oh, no. Nobody's picking that up. Unless you're getting through me. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. Where am I at, bro? Aw. Oh, I got like one shot. Dang. Oh, wound and strike. Red wins in 10 minutes. Okay, we're back in the game. Let's try to get that fly. I'm gonna sneak around the outskirts. I'll take this healing. Not that I need it. It's better than nothing, I guess. Come on, give me this guy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, Berserk too. No! Stop hurting my friend. Come on, give me this kill. Got him. Got one kill. Come on. You're doing an epic standoff. Can you, like, hit me or something? Like, I feel like a cheater if you're not hitting me. Yeah, I have 5,000 hearts. Wanna go, mate? Where'd you go? Guess what? Zzz. Bam! Bam! There you try to kill my friends and family. They're all I got. Let's join this battle over here. Oh, this tells me it's a bad idea. Bam! 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 Dang. Oh my goodness. Did you see how many people there are? Oh, I gotta wait just many seconds. 2v3 right now. That guy's not really close to dead. Who's this guy? That guy's still good in amount of hearts. He's still good. 3, 2, 1. Let the games begin. Oh, I had speed. Bring me to him. Gotcha. No, I'm helping my teammate. You're not doing nothing. What? Look at that damage. Whoever that person is, I won't be that. Must be direct impact. Okay. Bam! Oh, yeah, it must be direct impact. Come on, let's get this. Ground slam! Bloodlust! Oh, I'm dead. This is done. I'm donezo. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Hey, my guy's AFK. Where's their spawn at? Right up here? No, damn. 2, 1. Oh. Winner, top damage. What? Look at all that damage. Top healing. 18 coins. Should use my horse more. Okay, this seems short, so I'm just gonna do 2 and 1, I guess. See you in the next episode.